Can you imagine running faster than the speed of your own heartbeat? Usain Bolt did it in just 9.58 seconds. In 2009 in Berlin, the world stopped for less than 10 seconds. Usain Bolt, a lanky sprinter from Jamaica, exploded off the blocks and shattered the 100-meter world record. His time? 58 seconds, still untouched today. But here's the twist, Bolt wasn't supposed to be this fast. Coaches once said he was too tall, too awkward. His stride? Too long. Yet that stride became his secret weapon. Covering the track in just 41 steps, most sprinters take 45. Beyond the stopwatch, Bolt gave Jamaica a new anthem of pride. He danced, he laughed, he made the impossible look effortless. And even when injuries slowed him down later, the legend of 9:58 seconds never faded. Follow for more Caribbean stories, and wait until you hear the race he almost lost before becoming the fastest man alive.
And in third place, the Suffer
9.58! Smashing the world record! Unbelievable! He's done it again! A year later, rewriting the world record again!